Welcome again guys for our new workshop in ArcViz Studio. In this video I'll cover complete modeling rendering of an exterior from scratch. So if you are struggling with your exterior modeling and rendering, then this is the best tutorial for you guys, I'm sure. So without any further ado, let's get started. Front elevation and west elevation and floor plans. So here is ground floor plan, as you can see, and first floor plan. You guys can download this file from description link below. Check it out and then keep practicing with me. Okay, basically there is two method to create exterior modeling. First one is as your front elevation reference, and another way from tracing from your ground floor plan. So I think it's better and it's easier to you guys make a to start modeling from your 2D floor plan. Okay, so I wanna differentiate the 2D floor plan. First of all, ground floor. So select this object and W enter and separate this floor plan as a ground floor. And once you have done your ground floor, then first floor plan, so that I also differentiate this first floor. So, and it's better to reference put your elevation file as a reference. So differentiate front elevation also, select this object and W enter, then OK. West elevation, let's jump into the 3D file. So open 3ds Max and then just import this file. So click file and then go to the import, then import. Then first of all, here ground floor. Here some basic thing: AutoCAD DWG or DXF import options. As default settings, it's better, and check it over here. I wanna work with inches. So if you wanna interested to create this modeling from another unit scale like meter or centimeter, you can choose this over here, but I wanna work with inches, so keep as it is. Okay, then second of all, let's check your customize and then unit setup. So here unit setup, I wanna select the inches. To following our reference 2D plan. So here decimal inch, and then system unit also decimal inch. Okay, then okay, done. Now our file is ready to work with. Press W for full screen, then press G for hide the grid. Select those whole and then make it group, and then XYZ, all you need to all this value makes 0 and 0, so that your file place in your 0 axis. Okay, then let's start the modeling. So P for perspective, Z for zoom, and full view. And if you press Alt and W, here is 4 viewport, but it's better to make it 2 viewport like this. First one is perspective and another top. That will gives you a compact feeling to handling your top view and perspective. And if you need, press W enter and then work with this full view. Okay, so let's jump into the creating first part of this project. Alt W, and if you wanna work with top view and you can make it full view, also press Alt W. Okay, then you can set your front elevation as your reference. It makes much more easier your workflow. So again, file import, or you can just drag and drop your file like this. Select this file and then just drag and drop, then import. Done. Then first work to make it group. Okay, then press Z for zoom and then make all these values 0. Just drag and drop your front view, then make it group again, group, then all this value make sure will 0. Okay, then this is our front elevation. So I need to rotate 90 degree to get actual front view. So press E and then rotate like this, but it's not make actual, it not work in actual 90 degree. So you need to put the actual angle. I wanna set it 90 and then press A to activate the snap toggle, then click here. Done. Just put it over your plane. So as you can see, our reference elevation don't follow the axis. So I need here active axis constraints. So select and activate and then done. Boom. Okay, it makes much more easier your workflow. Move a bit. So another thing here, if you are a beginner, you need to active 2.5 when you work with 2D and top view, and if you work with the perspective 3D view, then it's better to make it 3 snap. Okay, that's will easier to select your vertex in 3D view. Done. So as you can see, the elevation matched in our 2D floor plan. Done. Nice. So enough. So enough basic discussion. So another basic thing here, their vertex. So here are so many grid snap settings, so pivot, grid point, so many things, but I prefer only select the vertex. Done. Then you are able to select this vertex, and if you wanna select your midpoint and endpoint tangent, you can active this thing, but it's better to ignore this thing right now. Let's jump into the modeling right now. You can assign a single color from all your reference CAD. So just okay, so I want to show you the easiest and fastest way to create modeling. So first of all, press line, then let's start from line. So click here, and then if you press shift from your keyboard, then your line will follow the straight axis. Okay, so select line, then press here, and if you hold press, and then you are able to make line from a straight axis. Okay, so just I need to follow the segment as our windows and doors and columns, if column some cases. Okay, so press shift, and then one segment is here, so click here, then here, all these segments. Okay, so all this segment will windows or other design some cases. So this is very efficient and short process. Basically easiest and fastest way to create exterior modeling. Okay, oops, that will follow this axis. Done. Then if you have some mistakes, you need to fix it first of all. So go to the line properties, then select vertex, and then fix like this. Okay, then simply extrude it. So here some shortcut issue, so I want to make some shortcut button over here. So configure modifier set, then I need maybe edit poly, then extrude, then F52, F54 sometimes, then in future I need UVW map, then chamfer some cases, okay, then simply extrude it, then make it 120 inch. Done. So if I press F4, then I can see, and you can also see the references and segments for your windows and others. Okay, So when you face the problem like this, your interior part is looks okay, but in front there is some black and dark shades. So in that case, first of all, you can make it shell modifier. So also I need shell, so I find shell. So you can apply shell modifier over here, then you are able to fix it. Or if you wanna apply shell later and if you work with the single line wall, then you need to apply over here normal modifier, normal, boom, then normal will flip in your dark shades. Okay, and hide all. So as your reference, you can make the proper exterior from it. So as our reference, this bottom part is our plinth level, so down it, so down the elevation to grab the reference in bottom plinth level. Okay, in here you need your bottom sill level for windows and upper beam and ceiling. So as you can see our reference, like this is it's better to see you guys from our CAD layout. So as you can see here, plinth level, and then here balconies and windows, doors, and some louvers like design. And here you can see this is a beam level and this is basically roof level. So if I show it from here, so 2 feet is plinth, and then make it continue, and then 8 here, 9 feet 7 inch your clear ceiling height, roof height, so floor to slab height, and then 5 inch your slab thickness, and then continue the same thing. So I think you got this point. So our bottom, then middle portion, and then beam or roof. So basically this part is beam, so beam and roof. Okay, so same technique I wanna apply in 3ds Max. So select this wall, and then if you press Alt and X, you can get the transparent mode over here. So now I want to apply edit poly, then select edges, then select all edge, select edge, and then simply connect. Okay, then grab it and fixed in your sill level for your windows, and another connect for upper to get the reference in your beam. Done. So some cases maybe it will change for your window height and window level. So if I need I wanna make another point like this, so it's later, or maybe you can make it right now as your, this is the west side, so west elevation. So if I show you the west elevation, so in that time I can put here west elevation also to get correct reference from that. So select west elevation and then just drag and drop, import, press Z for zoom, and again group it, and then 0 0 0. Nice. So rotate it 90 degree again and place in our reference. Done. So if you wanna right view in shortcut, to press shortcut key in your keyboard, then first of all you need to press V, and then you can find here right view, press here, done, press Z, okay. Very fine. So this is our west side reference. So as you can see, in that side, front view, in front view here sill level, in your bottom window level, then your windows, and maybe balconies, door, and then in this area in some cases your windows height not a same level. So in that case also this window and this windows, so that is not the same level. So in that case you need to create another connect over here. So in that cases I wanna create the another connect, in that time not be hyper. Okay, so now apply shell modifier over here, apply shell, and then shell it up, then put the actual or wall thickness, so 5, not outer, inner 5 inch. Okay, so some cases if you have 10-inch wall or other, it not a major thing, this is minor thing, because I work in it for exterior not interior. Okay, so if since I have applied here shell modifier, here's some issue create like this. So to fix it you need to select here straighten corners simply, then I guess all this area will fix it. Okay, so make sure straight in corners, done, boom. Then make it convert into editable poly, then your windows and maybe your doors select, and then just easiest way to create and punch for windows and doors, so hold shift and in y-axis drag like this, boom. This is very efficient way for 3ds Max 24 and maybe 2022, 23, 24. That's a game changer for 3ds Max. Okay, so many of those people hate 3ds Max in previous, they are in that case, in this time those people loved in 3ds Max for this kind of amazing thing like extrude and boolean and so many easier thing. Okay, so 3ds Max, it's going easier day by day, so you guys must be fall in love with this software for produce high quality exterior and interior rendering, modeling and architectural visualization. It's game changing 3D software for architect and architectural students and other fields sometimes. Okay, so that's the very beginning example to create windows, create doors, and if you have so I have windows also in this area. So if you press alt X to get transparent mode, and so that you can see through your windows reference and windows drawing from your CAD layout. Then select the polygon, then select, then again here select, then punch. Then 1 2 3 boom. So in here there is a bathroom window, but bathroom windows not as this reference, so you need to connect another segment over here so that you can create accurate reference in your bathroom windows. So select the edges and then select this one, and again in inner side, so inner and outer both. Select, okay, then connect. So as you can see, this connecting reference, we can follow this elevation. So go to the left view, press L and F3, and this is our reference. Okay, so this is very easy to make windows or doors and other things to, if we have this kind of a detail elevation, that's much more helpful to create 3D. Done. Okay, also this one, alt X again. As you can see, this is also windows, so make it full height. So select those and just create like this. So this is very efficient and fastest way to create, as I said in beginning of this class. So this is will very helpful to you guys, so keep practicing with me. I think if you beginner and if you advanced 3D modeler, no matter, you are benefit from this video for sure. Done. So all this this is west and this is east, so all this east side is also done. So in here have balcony window, not windows, this is door. So select this, and again here bathroom, so I'll do it later. And again this is full height windows, so create again first. So and this one, select this polygon and same thing here. And this side have windows, not, this is door also. So okay, good. So this area also done except the bathroom. So select this edge again and inside. To create clean and clear modeling, you need to focus on this detail and basic thing. Okay, so make it connect and then grab your reference. So press F3 and the reference is here. Select polygon, done. So all this side is done. Now I want to focus on this west side, this one. So select the polygon. So in here I have a reference 2D, so it makes easy to work. So first of all, in here this is a windows, but maybe when you create line, I have some mistake, I think, because I didn't find here, I don't find here one Windows reference for oops, actually the elevation mistakenly changed this position, changed his position, that's why it makes conflicting. So like this. Okay, so now select the polygon in here and here, but there is need another connect over here. So select inside edge and this side, then connect. So when you want to work in 3D view, I told you before that you need to select 3. Okay, done. Then also here this and this, connect. Again here select edge, then connect. Okay, another connect for this segment, so connect. Done. And then another for this windows, sorry, for this door. So I wanna create it later. So select now polygon, done. For that, select edges, then connect. One is for this side, so I need to make it straight, so press R and active scale and then push it y-axis. Then you are able to get a straight edge. Done. So one is for this side, so select this edge, then connect. Done. Fix. Done. So select this edge and then set it in your door height, then select polygon, then punched. Done. Okay, very nice. So in here some problem, maybe as you can see the black shades. So if you have this kind of a problem, no need to fear about that. Just select those objects and then select the whole element and then bringing down here, clear polygon smoothing group, select clear all. Done. Or everything is clear. Then go to the front view. I want to complete this. Here's some design. So in top view I can create it easily, so make it 2 viewport. So this is top and this is perspective maybe. So follow these steps. So as you can see, here's some reference. So select rectangle and then this is the entry door and this is the louver like design. Okay, so this is the proper reference. So this is solid, then void, solid, then void, and this is inner side, this is outer side. Okay, so let's doing the same thing over here. So create rectangle. So first one is full area, then here press start new shape, uncheck it, then this is, say again, this is inner and then outer. So that will inner, then outer. Oh, okay, then again inner, then outer. Okay, very good. Then extrude. Done. Okay, then for select this reference without any distracting the 2D reference. So Ctrl V for copy, then extrude. Done. So, but this is it creates full height louver, but it will not full height. As you can see the reference in here, this is below the beam. Okay, so bottom of the beam, so need to decrease the height, so select, then make it editable poly, edit poly, then select these vertices and then create like this. Again this side, select the vertices, oops, edit poly, then vertex, select those vertices and create in this reference. Done. So and then need need a connection over this. So select the polygon and hold shift and extrude like this. Make sure it will 3 as we work on 3D view. Done. Okay, so almost modeling done in our ground floor. Then if you complete your ground, then focus on the first floor. So as you can see, our first ground and first almost same, just need to a little change, so you can make it copy for the upper floor. So select and then Control Shift, then copy, then 2D 2.5, then fix like this. So in 2D reference, you need to create some veranda or balcony like this. So select the rectangle and active the rectangle and create the all balconies. So in here, first one, then this is not balcony but garnish for roof. So once is here, then another here to here, done. Then once is here and another is there. Okay, done. Then extrude, then make it 5 inch, not much. So this is I create for first floor. So also this this also this is, so also that will the ground. So make sure make it copy, then create like this. Very fine. Okay, it progressing and looks very well. Complete this workshop in 3ds Max with Vray, not Corona. So many of you request to make a modeling and rendering tutorial about Vray. So today I want to cover Vray. So for now, compact material editor, and then active the render settings, press F10, then here select Vray 6, done. Okay, so now if I study the first floor plan, as you can see in this extended projecting roof, you need to create here and here. So first of all, you need to put the first floor plan to this 3D file, drag and drop the first floor, import, then first of all group, Then set this 2D in according to the reference and make it the upper floor height for first floor. Done. Okay, so now I wanna follow the 2D floor plan and fix this floor area according to the floor plan. Okay, so that's all about day 1. Thank you so much guys to join to this workshop. Very soon I'll continue this workshop in day 2 for rest of the modeling and material lighting rendering. So stay connected with the time. So hope you guys have amazing day and keep practicing with this workshop. If you need any help and any confusion and any problem, let me know in the comment. See you again in next workshop. Thanks for watching.